We're back. 0302 22.
0302 211 688 211 701 702 703 704. Thank you. 0302 211 701 702 703 704. And I can't hold that. Power. And I'm wishing my baby happy birthday. What day? Elsie appear a J Donko. Wesley High School. Yeah, be quiet. And then I would have happy birthday.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Baba.
Apia.
After I can to so Apia stadium.
Kwasem.
Vintanyam uti to my dear and so mammy TV way now platform.
Kwasem.
Is the Kukumbadia platform. People talk about anti-Michel White say none of you were obvious nothing on the and then I'm going to do Nana and then I'm called dog by Wally. As a way up and out blinking me. As a way say,
now we know.
I know now, politician man, out of the seven, you have to have about -1 plus 1. The better than your mamma with me. When you know,
that's why I'm most about to pay a pay a casa away here free. That's my blanket also.
Ashaven bachi. Alright, Jacobo. Ashaven. Yeah.
Good morning. Welcome to training.
Let me add Boko.
Oh, I'm in Papa Nation. I'm in China and I agree in Mama Basso.
It has
more yes to my papa. They say your mama don't mind any nine to you put Damadum TV, the Monfan Yagro. The bomb Basso. And I am in show video applications, not president, no more than one more freedom of speech, start having a met Rebecca, Nana and I are Moma Punya content near the Makoshi. Magana and said you be among Guinea pound. But what you might be in Nipa that you Atima Paddy Tanko for a Ghana in a moment na Jenny because you say, but I know what I may do my name, Paddy mind this day. Can I be said also at some Kotoa?
Okay, that's CP. You have a conversation in Funia about Netin Komoyaba, about a coin of Vesa Tour. Yan common Yakoba.
Ejuma presented, you know. A yen say a quine or no person of faso. A Ushas and Neman Boba, won't say Bibia, President Mahama Bonitrimpo, so person yin crofway. Into Usha Quanya, no one ministers of the cabinet. No mutual Muakwa Bontin. A signed petition adhere to President Mahama for. I depends only on the cabinet. Utimi who say a one bino moya keke. Na President Mahama tra a sebia. A beha on one kasa. A bakwasem. Na beha Ghana democracy. A nipa yo mu kotina munti FM di Ghana for nya temi. Omo ankasa o maka wo manum se. Jumade no mu di wo munti no. President Mahama nti mu di se jumade no. Na say anything na ombe ko prison o munsuru. I'm sure munsuru because o munsuru ko prison President Mahama ba be yo me free. Eno na esi. Omo anka so menum. Omo kan say President Mahama nti eno mu di adwuma no. Yenya ayete. Editis na ombe ko prison o munsuru. Because o munsuru ko prison o ba be yo. Nti ene President Mahama enipa o mu di boni say wo wudi mu na ya twe o maso a na o di tumi akwa yo mu a we twa sebia Ebeha wa nkasa na ebeha Ghana so ya democracy nti yanhwe na ebesi but media
I think that we cannot be not anything else but grateful. I'm sure that my points are extremely grateful wherever they are once they get admitted.
So at this rate, when do you expect them out?
Well, as the communication says, it says that on the 26th, effective on 27th. 26, so I think that any day after the committee, once the appropriate documentation has been done, they would come up.
That means they just would have served just about a month.
Well, would have spent a month, not just.
Okay, a month.
A month can be a very long time in prison. All things being equal.
Okay. You know what? So I don't know. Have you been in touch with them yet? Do they have the news?
Well, no.
Did you expect this? I mean, effectively, the president had knocked off 3 months of the sentence. Even in your most optimistic, were you expecting this?
Well, we were expecting the president to exercise his power in consultation with the Council of State. I'm sure that the president and the council may have looked at taking several factors into consideration. And this is the best that is given us, and we are grateful.
It's how a cool way I decided to say, sir, Article 72, Akwenya, Ghana for their share president in Sano, Onfani Juma, Nijidi say, Ejina so say, president, Utimi Tusa. And I want to use the occasion once again to thank the Council of Bano, as I said, Council of State. They are professionals. They are people who have headed Professor Nabila and Co. University, academia, wherever. I don't know Maurice Ampao, they level in. So when it comes to India, and any people should grade themselves. No more here, say, Sabi. You should point at one person in that group. I don't know Maurice Ampao. Or who saw your Papa Chance. He should be truthful to himself. And he should stop belittling people. I've heard him over and over. And sometimes, with all due respect to him, it's not Debian and ask him to assume. But people tolerate him. And he should have that heart to also tolerate other people, even though whatever decisions they also take may not sit well with him. That is the world.
So yate Nana Komianka ana yate se lawyer so jina muma ono referendi tamaklu ana na wana kaza the tamaklu yeah ana fi era
on Evans na kasa Joy FM
ana era Eduasari so yate
na Maurice Ampao de na no kan na Maurice Ampao o kan woni Mama VA interview join this no what say no be no wan so mampanyini be yesa na so mampanyini yesa no obeja practice as a lawyer for a while now watch the come afi watch the come afi 1 year ntie hwe nanim say obefra say so watch the come na so de camera sabeto no so
right
na hwe de na betimi akọ
so the tie no sa asem we no ye nyina ya said de ositi ase no mampanyin so komre kunini ma o sa kwanya no and one two sa na mo no ono nko a onne Council of State for enya abobo proud to this na a lot of mranim for e de wona dwen chaba even in mranim for na nkaza no na bi gina fa bi enti the judgment in this case is not anybody's but yours say wankasa say the ositi ase no obetimi ayenesa e be sepam de ko na ban tase one tase ni year one hwe na akojensem. That's for you to yes, that's for you to judge. Say eya say bia me na ya atia no and you be see person na we dia jabaja ne also ibi da aha it was dwene say the was tias
e jayama o e jayama mo watu ya kire wadwene ho wo be see apostle na nei wo mate asim no amro abri na aba won so no won de won ka hwe no wo de hye kwa fa so e fa apostle
kwa fa so
whom you know the politics for ye kika bu ne fa we ko fa we ko ni pa betimi aye adwuma na nkasa no ye ma mo kwai e bi e wo don e ma apostle adwuma ye ma mo kwai na kwa na damfo no wo de akoba pani pia no fam ni e pia na fam ti koro no saa na be ko no
e no ho ama betima sam akoso afre 03022 adding 211
0302211701702703704 Ruth I Denmark was what heard Jumedi and the permit Ruth I Denmark yeah what the message Ediaba
okay I see you good morning apomti saying
good morning partner no ya pa tamo mo ya di
na boko
we de la mentia na bo pita ya kwa kiaka ma fi central candidate no partner Juma opolo wasama modi e fere wasama to mo ano ko parliament my na o mai me de Malia ji na ma ho a me president ne John Mahama then na komia ne Maurice Ampao o mo cancel very short and one say o mo gena e ha o mo say mo get the mobile. So me no corner terms aka no. The days na ka be 100 days and I say 60 days I only match am mo na dey o ma ko serve am mo. Minimum o mo how mo here the free DNDC mo and I say asem no here o mo nti ma o mo ko ye o mo campaign o mo na ma o mo kan se ma ehunya.
Okay, yes, that's it.
Isaac Abu or Multi TV was say Uyenchia, Reverend Francis Amos Abanyi, ya or Elmina, so for Penny Reverend Father, and also
Uncle Fanya, teacher Francis Amo. Yes, you try Airtel and do
Francis Amo, dear son, they're trying to salute to Anna.
Another Airtel Adom Praise, the 8th edition, a bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What does so
a bar?
Or does so by force?
A new ones.
What does so by force? What does so pa?
Eddie, a boy, my chair, a poem to say.
On your pain, make your poem today.
Yamiado Boko at you.
On your pain.
Ah, never they also was here.
Who covered in our
hello.
No, your opinion, I am one way. Brala, Neza here. It was our crab by force and the pay.
Oh,
yeah, come my.
Yo, what's the canon? Is the Magana money in our Naman said that Ghana man so in a day with your money. Act of impunity, indiscipline, hypocrisy, dishonesty in the highest order. No look on money. Me a taxi driver. Na man pay mo wayen. Next taxi driver get no parking. Na police you be general can come no do. The discipline na. And also you pay and also you pay your Ghana ha. Na man she no mu de. Se endi sabel chodo instant ni bi o ka wa. E wuzo obo so mani mun odoso. What's the Yate Wafa, yes, what you know with Obumbra or the Bay Juma, although you go to the Okudafe. Says that in Pedorian, of 1 man you could end this or tap in ma. Well, Kumpa, obey you with him. Wait to a wa, obey you with him. Wait to see wa, obey you with him. So the Dominican was out born in Bogopia, man near Juma, another end this party Juma, obey you near him. It's and one hour keep you up to see a softful. Nanan my him for. And pay for 1% assembly members in Nara. Yena, Yakin a day. Or man or woman or Penny Hen.
Okay.
The Mamma Pena,
yes, thank you. You better say,
for say woman issue. A woman issue at Chapapa Panty, penny for it. And
okay. Aliphobia do ultimate catch me and say, or say the bar edited 12 years and only the body. Oh, Aliphobia. Oh, only the baby. Oh, Mr. Farbani Dima was a baby. Oh, Jai. I don't know. What's the what's the Farbani, maybe. Oh, I'll say maybe. Ah. Aliphobia.
Brava.
Hamza, assalamu alaikum.
Aliphobia, Paoboa.
Okay, Pacho, you
boy. I say, what aroma, Honorable Collins, who some my should be near woman channel. The channel of Paina, and people for about for the constituency. Honorable Dr. Emmanuel Kwabamafu, also the chairman of paper. Nakona, dear, make actually Ghana for you and say, Adio Mampani, I try to we a sabone, Pano Mampani Mahama, I try to. You see, Mampani Mahama, I cheat here, judges, no, Mrad, Omunimra, man, or teacher. It's say, to be Kuya Banching, or be Kuya, because my cotiation, my bog group bloom, no Kuya. I say, I judge a young quine. Et me prosecute Salipano, no man paying Kuyino. Na, would it say that an Ankomiakai? Say, radio no so. In Kofuika say, Omodio Muya Jumama or Mampani Mama. Intino, or Munsro Bias, or Mampani, so because or Chomco Mampani Baby Yomo. Nina, no, and Nina, no Mampani day to me, how could you ma? Let us say, Obian Obebu, I judge for, and this him. Essence, so be a judge at them, and as a co-judge, fake Okana, or more.
adi da so o mampanyin be kwa yi o mu nti o mu obia ti se basa na rule of law na ye di adwuma ana se mra na ye di ahye judges nsem so mutimi di ye adwuma no no mampanyin atieti o mu fa ho je so ke basa NDC communicators ni nyina anya de o mbebu judges no na basa nso a na ye bad president e no mampanyin taswa o de ma NDC for na ye man
yeah that's it Dr. Sechi si wo chia ada Odan Government Hospital adwumayefo nyina Dr. Sechi so chia
Kobi Vroom say waba ni ama na kwa ba obe send you to jail na do abe pardon.
Thank you. Thank you. Dey dey hinla. Ye fie dia na so.
Ko use ma che.
Ye dey kura dey kan dey nche. So na bendum ye papa.
Na boko dey go bi.
Ai be se be che ma ju ka ta.
Go bi enkozo.
Me shamu ni ekoso no. Enye kura. Bibi America say enye ne se. O man mu na ye wo. Ena nkofo mi nsa kan sem se Chief Justice kura. The omu bua mu nkodi asem ma no be yin so be yin si na sampani for no omu ye cancel state for no ye bu omu dan so pa se panyin wo fi timi de futu wi ma nipa o man panyin se onko yi sa ko fu free afiase ho na e gino ma menti ahye.
Okay,
e sabone o ye beto aba e bitumi akofa wo hawo dia ba san se me se mi she obi no ye NDC ni ne se wo ye na se me se me wa ye me de me doka na bin say ni NDC ni de yin afiase ho ndi mi so meta na sum ndi ade na omo ye ne.
All right, Mam Daily Guide.
Hey, Mam fa Daily Guide ne ma. Fa Daily Guide ne ma. Daily Guide.
I don't want to Daily Guide. Oh, Daily Guide. Yes. Okay. Camera for more here you man na we na me here.
Oh, Manasseh. Manasseh.
Wa who been pacho.
Ai bebre ye doso. Ya yanko bi ne doso. Wa kura de man te ho fra ma mi internet.
Wa who bi no.
Mi mu internet. Ya yanko bi ne doso.
Ya yanko bi.
Na me so tabere. E na wono no won hira wale so rof sa. Ukọ na so kura no a. Ne obi ade ne wo ye. Okay. Won hira wale so.
Anas arim ya Anas.
Wa baby. Woni sefa kan ne. Ai Anas ko bi. So omu na adwuma ba ko no omu yo. Adwuma ba ko no omu yo. Anti multimedia titun ne Joy FM. Efo
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
Na Dr. Mahmoud Baumia so ko boa no o invite no wo koye. Okoko dwumadi na sibi. Ye rame so tabre na wo hira awade ne so ma no. Anti Manasa Azuri aware.
Mo yi ne koto onwuma tia na. Mo se mo de na mo yi mo si mo fese.
Oh, symphony kwa. There be it looks like it looks like I'm suspecting over the way I'm suspecting so over the way I hot here no a Bree Gardens na sanity and so pictures no if you ala pass we hu ni if you ala me hwekwan na betimi dia brown one pictures ni be okra na ofurudua ofurudua na yiri gina na chi no wo piano
ofurudua pa ni
piano wo nti ofurudua pa na yiri piano ene ade anti Manasa Azuri aka Ford Expedition 2010 model wawale.
Well, yadamu ina amase braso se aye kwakuni
kwadwo
Jeffas wana daruma yade aye
anya no kwa tigo so ka ho tigo so abeka ho Jeffas ne tigo adaruma ne yade agukansi ebrewo Wallace Kofodu Abrante wona ne yade agukansi ebremo
banko school papa me ko na kwakubuati onka ne de me
why me
da bi me ka
wala me ko fijai
me ko fijai secondary school ye
water
e kwaba